Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Atom code editor in Windows 11. So Atom is a popular code editor. It is powered by Google. So for that, first go to a browser and type Atom download. So go to first link here. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and just click the download. I will skip the video after the download complete. As you guys can see, my download is completed. I will click on open folder. Now here is the application Atom setup 64.exe. I will right click here and click run as administrator. I will click yes. The Atom installer is launched. You have to do nothing. The installation process will happen automatically. Now guys, as you can see, my Atom text editor is installed. In the next video, we will learn how to connect an FTP server with Atom. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe, and please comment if you face any issue. Thank you.